Alright, so I did a video a while back on the church's lawnmower and bad gas and how to clean it up. And this is our race team's generator, and it got left with gas in it for a while. And the thing that people don't think about generators, every time there's a big storm, power goes out, people go out and buy generators. And a year later, there's all these generators that don't run, and nobody's sure what to do with them. And there's a drain on these. And I'll show you this real quick. This is I just put a new carburetor on this and it runs good. But I figured I'd come back in here and show this. And I didn't know about this until I got in here. Carburetor's right here. There's a little screw right here. And if you take this loose, it does have a hex head on it, but here's the little end of the hose. Oh, there it goes. Look, there goes your gas, pouring right out. Whenever you get done with this generator, pickle it. Drain all the fuel. And this is a gravity feed. There's no fuel pump on this. There is a switch here. You'll have to turn it to run actually to get it to flow. But you turn this to run. You can open up the gas cap to get a vent if you want. And whenever you open this up, it's going to start draining all the fuel out of that fuel tank. And it'll drain until it's empty. So if the emergency's over, and it may be a while before you use your generator again, take 10 minutes, pull the side cover off, get your little pan. I didn't even need a pan, that's already evaporated, it's so hot out here. But yeah, get your pan, turn this to run, open the cap, undo that screw, and drain out all the gas out of this. And when you're done, there's two hoses in here. One's just a vent for the carburetor, and the other one's, there's a little spot on the bottom of this for these hoses to go into. And that way, if they happen to leak, it leaks out underneath the unit and not inside of it. Make sure you get that plug snug back up. You don't want to crush it, but you want to get it snug back up so that you don't leak everything out. Put that back to stop, cap it up. Or the other option is just run it till it runs out of gas. This just has a little bit of gas in it from me testing it out and making sure it runs.